Hello and welcome to SSB Sure Shot's one and only YouTube channel. This is an initiative taken by ex-SSB assessors who intend to guide and mentor aspirants of the armed forces. In this video, we will explain the complete SSB procedure in a day-wise format. If you wish to join the Indian Armed Forces, then you have to clear one of the most detailed interview procedures in the entire country. In fact, it's not just an interview. The SSB is more synonymous with a thorough dissection and assessment of the personalities of potential candidates. The procedure is so elaborate that the candidates are made to stay within one of the SSB centers for a total of 5 to 6 days. Now, if you're thinking to apply for the Indian Armed Forces, it makes a lot of sense to have complete knowledge about what exactly happens over those 5 days. Here is a breakup of the entire process. Day 1. The SSB process starts off with the screening. The screening consists of an intelligence test, also known as the reasoning test, which is followed by the picture perception and discussion test, commonly known as PPDT. The intelligence test is fairly easy. A person with average intelligence should be able to clear it without much trouble. However, you must know what kind of questions to expect and be well prepared. In the PPDT, the candidates are shown a picture for 30 seconds, after which they have to write a story based on the picture, for which they are given 3 minutes. Following that, the candidates are split into groups of 10 to 15 members. A group is made to sit together where they narrate their stories one by one. After the narration, a group discussion is conducted. Roughly 50 to 80% of the candidates are screened out after these tests. Therefore, it is vital that your preparation is really good. Many people make the mistake of taking the screening too lightly, and they have to return back home disappointed after the very first day. The candidates who clear the screening will then be asked to fill up personal interview questionnaire, or also known as the PIQ forms, and can be rest assured to stay at the center through the entire process of the remaining 4 or 5 days. Day 2. Congratulations if you've cleared the screening process, but the real battle is about to begin now. The second day usually consists of the psychological tests. These are a series of projective tests which the psychologists use to uncover the true personalities of the candidates. Therefore, do not cram textbook answers for any of the procedures in SSB, as your true personality will not come out and you may be projected as someone who is very confused or even fake. The psychological testing consists of the following 4 tests: thematic apperception test, also known as TAT, word association test, WAT, situation reaction test, SRT, and self-description test. Practice is a must for these tests as they are time-bound, so speed is very crucial. We will make more detailed videos on each of these tests in the near future, so make sure you subscribe and don't miss out. Day 3. The third day usually marks the start of the GTO, Group Testing Officers tests. These tests help in revealing the collaborative aspects, teamwork, and leadership qualities of the candidates. The following tests are usually conducted on the third day: group discussion, military planning exercise, lecturate, progressive group test, group obstacle race or the snake race, half group task, command task, personal interview for some candidates. The remaining GTO activities are carried over to Day 4. Day 4. On the 4th day of the SSB, the following tests are conducted: final group task, individual obstacles, personal interview for the remaining candidates. Day 5. On the 5th and the final day, the final board conference is conducted. The conference is one last opportunity for all the officials to interact with the candidates individually. Usually, the instructors use this last interaction to assess borderline cases. So make the most of this opportunity if you feel that you performed well, but you could have done even better. After the conference, the results are declared and the names of the recommended candidates are revealed. The rejected candidates leave the center soon after, whereas the recommended stay on for a few more days to clear the medicals. Now, this 5-day process may vary a bit depending on the entry you've applied for, the SSB center, or whether you want to join the Army, Navy, or the Air Force. But most of these elements remain unaltered. We hope that you found this video helpful. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe because a lot more videos in greater detail will be coming up soon. If you prefer reading, do visit our website, and all the very best for your preparation. Jai Hind.